Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my M44 carbine mosin, or the type 56 mosin. Okay, here it is. And I made a few changes to the mosin nagant, so you can, if you have made my other mosin video, then you can make the change to it as well. And guys, check out the other mosin nagant video if you haven't. The M91, the earlier mosin. Okay, and guys, please check out my other video as well, and please consider subscribing, guys. Okay, so yeah, first you need a square sheet of paper, like so, and you want to fold it in half. So ready to fold it like so, and you want to fold the other side in half, just like that, and unfold it. Okay, so this is gonna be the front. Okay, and you want to fold that bottom corner up 2 times. Okay, first like this, and again like so. Okay, and now you're going to bring this edge right here to the center line. Okay, okay, like so, and then you're going to take that same edge and you're going to fold it right up to this edge here. Okay, like so, and then you see this corner right here, you want to fold in that corner. So bring this edge right up to that edge right there. Okay, or that corner to that corner. Okay, like so. And turn around this way. And now you're gonna fold this whole thing in half. Okay, and then you see this triangle underneath. It's gonna fold that right up. Okay, so now this is gonna be the back of the gun, and if you turn around this way, this is gonna be the front of the gun. Okay, and now you want to take that triangle, and from that corner you're gonna fold it all the way up to that center crease line right there, as you can see. Okay, take that corner and take that triangle and fold it from this corner all the way up to that center line right there. Okay, like so. And now you're gonna fold this whole gun in half, but don't fold this portion right here. So go underneath and fold this whole thing in half. Okay, like so. Then turn around to the front. Okay, then you're gonna zigzag fold. This is gonna be the stock, as you can see right there. So you're gonna fold from this point all the way down to this point. Okay, okay, like that. And now if you see here, there's a small thin triangle right here, right? And you see that edge? You're gonna zigzag fold right there. So where this edge and this edge meet. Okay, you see? Right there. Yeah, you're gonna fold that stock right there. And you see this paper underneath? You're gonna fold that behind. Okay? like that. Okay. And now you're going to make the magazine of the gun. So you want to fold this front edge up to the body of the gun. Okay. And now you're going to flip it around. And you see this whole portion right here behind this edge. You want to kind of fold that in there and hide that underneath. Okay. Kind of slide that under there and flip it back over. And now you're going to fold in this corner right here to form the stock. So fold this corner all the way up to about midpoint right here. Okay, if you look right there, see this edge, you want to fold that edge down right up to that midpoint. Okay, to make the stock. Okay, and now you're going to make a little fish base for the stock. Okay, so you're going to kind of bring this together, fold this in half together, then fold it down. I don't know if you can see it right there. Okay, so you want to fold this back edge up to this this top edge right here from behind, as you can see, and then fold it down. And bring this whole edge right there to the top of the gun. Okay. Like that, and kind of fold the bolt down for a second. Then you can open it up later on after you finish the other one, because there's going to be a lot of pressing down and stuff. So now the barrel part is kind of going to be a little thick. Okay, so you're gonna have to, press down on it really hard. Okay, so you see this center crease line right there. That's supposed to be the center. Or if you look at the bolt right at the tip of that triangle, okay, there should be a center crease line right there. You're gonna zigzag fold right there. So fold this back. Okay, fold it back forward again. Okay, and you're gonna fold this whole piece in half. Okay, like that. And here's a thick part. Fold it in half, and you see this edge. Just fold it all the way back and press down on it. No. Kind of angle that back. Okay, and now this is just to hold the gun together so it lasts longer. If not, then it might like open up a bit. Or you can just leave it like this if you want. But if you like, you can take this layer underneath right here and pull that out and make a little cup like that and wrap around the first piece right here. Okay, so you see this corner, just try to put that right into that cup. Okay, might be a little tricky, just a second. Okay, and kind of wrap this around there. It might be a little tricky to do. Okay, so that's to keep the gun together. Okay, now there's going to be another thick fold part. Okay, so if you look here, you see that triangle right here, and at the end of the triangle right there, there's going to be the barrel. So the top, you see that slant, the top of it, that's going to be where the barrel starts. So fold right there, forward. Okay, and if you look in the back side, you see that slant and the bottom portion right there. This is going to be where the barrel stops. So if you look right here, right there, that's where the barrel stops. Okay, so fold the front. This is going to be the bayonet, of course. So fold that forward again. Okay, and now for the bayonet. So this is the barrel, the bayonet, for the back, and fold it about halfway on the barrel. Okay, so it should look like that. Then, of course, you're gonna fold this whole thing in half. So it might be a little tricky to do. So kind of loosen up that area. Then start with the barrel. So fold that in half. Okay. Then kind of push it up a little bit towards the top. So you gotta have to pinch it, kind of push that up. And then you wanna then fold the bayonet up. Okay. And now you're gonna fold this part. So you see that part right there? You're gonna kind of pinch that in. Okay, and fold that down. Press down on it. Okay, and now here as well, you're gonna pinch this edge as well. Okay, it's gonna be a little hard to fold, but you gotta press hard on it. Okay, and kind of bring that closer. Yep, and here it is. This is my M44 or type 53. Okay, here's a better one. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.